Hi lovelies, another manicure roulette set today, a little Halloweeny set. So I'm just faffing, obviously. I'm poorly again, in case you couldn't hear yourself. Oh my gosh, I'm so faffing. Oh. Come on, Christy, pull it together. Honestly. So we've got colour palette, Joker, art theme, black cat, spellbound, spider webs, witchy, and blood drops. So we are starting off with Nightshade from Dali Artistic. That is going to be the base for a few of the nails, actually. Excuse the sniffing. Sorry. So we're using Amazonian Dream as well. So basically the set is made up of these two shades, purple and green. So this is the slime slash... Well, I know the card was blood drops or drips. I can't remember now. But this was the colour theme, so it's sort of a little bit more like slime, I don't know. So basically with this nail, like this design, you just want to do the drops to start off with. The long slimy bits, blood drops, whatever you want to call them. And then do the arches afterwards. Because then you sort of... I don't know, you're laying a good foundation and then you're linking them together. So we're just going to finish the last drop. Did I not show that bit? I don't know. What a silly sausage. No, maybe I did it all together, but yeah, if I was to do it again, just draw the drops and then link them together with an arch in between them, like I have done it with my basically how you do like the icicles as well when it comes to like Christmas and winter. Dare I say the C word? I love the C word. So we're just going in with the sparkly green polish. I'm Vegan, I think it was, from Madame Glam, just to do the shading. It's a really pretty green glitter, this one. So there we have, and of course we're going to do some starburst stars, because doesn't that just finish off every nail just lovely? Pulling up and down and side to side, all from that middle. We're probably going to put some dots on it, I imagine. Oh yeah, look, there we go. Oh no, I know, another starburst star. If you've watched my other videos, you will have most likely seen me do a starburst star. And dots. dots. So this is our first nail. Oh, so much sniffing. I can't be doing with the sniffing. Shiny top coat. And then pop it in the lamp. I actually did these now. I can't remember if I said already. For another newbie nail tech challenge. I unfortunately did not win, but I'm really pleased with these anyway. So this next one is starting off with that Amazonian Dream. That will be the base coat for this one. I mean, look how good those Madame Glam polishes are. I was faffing about with the camera there because it was really driving me crackers. I don't know if anybody else has an iPhone 13 Pro, but the camera really, really makes me cross. Like, it just changes focus all the time. Like, right, we're using Your Sugar stamping plate, and we're doing the kitty cats. I don't know if you could see the reflection in the stamping plate. You'll probably be able to see that I've got a towel on my head, drying my hair. So we're stamping just the little kitty cats in the middle there. And then we're going to use, before this, obviously, we're doing some more Starburst. If you haven't seen my other video, these involve the dot of gel polish in the middle, then wiping your brush away and pulling down in all directions, just using that bit of gel from the middle, making the starburst effect. So you've not got too much gel on your brush. You need your fine detailer brush. And then, of course, we're just going to do dots as well. And I think we possibly may use a reflective top coat on this one, if I remember correctly. Like I said, this one was for my newbie nail tech challenge, and this was quite a while ago now. Good couple of months. Oh, we're going to do a moon, which felt really faffy. So you're just sort of doing a C and then filling it in, and the ends are coming to a point. It does look a bit pants, actually. I don't like that one. I like the rest of it, but I don't like the moon. Yeah, so this is Dali Artistic's reflective top coat. It's very nice. You can see all the glitter in it, all the shimmer. Ooh. Next nail, we are using Nightshade again. I think this nail may be the Isolated Chrome Spiderweb. So we're matte top coating this one, because when you do your Isolated Chrome, you want to, this is the easiest way I've found anyway, start with a matte top coat so that the gel polish you use accepts the chrome, but the matte does not, if that makes sense to you. I feel like I'm rambling a load of rubbish today, but I'm just really tired and really poorly again. Hopefully by the time this video is up, I will not be there. So we're going to do the 2 lines coming down from the middle diagonally. This is sort of the base of the spider web. So it's almost like a cuff nail, like a nail cuff, but in spider web form. So from this one, you're going to arch it. My brush was a little bit rubbish there. Make sure you look after your brushes, guys, because otherwise they do things like that and don't go where you want it to go. So we're arching it from one side to the other. Sorry, I've gone off shot. What a bloody silly sausage. So you can see what I'm doing here, can't you? I'm very sorry. So you're joining up those other lines, going from the other side until we're all sorted. Now, I use a sort of goldy chrome for this. I intended it to be like a greeny gold, but in fact, the gold chrome just completely took it over and it ends up gold, but whatever. So what I'm doing now is putting the no wipe top coat over that spiderweb design. Then we're going to get the chrome and it's going to apply to the bits that are no wipe top coated. So smush it over with an eyeshadow brush. Yeah, off camera, why not? So you can see that it's stuck to that. Brush, 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 brush. And then we're going to put the no wipe top coat over the bits that we want to keep chromed. So the spiderweb. And then once we put that in the lamp, after I've done all that, we will wipe off the excess chrome, get rid of it, because that didn't have anything to stick to. Just wipe in between. Lovely. And then we're going to no wipe top coat. And look how pretty and shiny that. Yeah, I think in hindsight, maybe it would have been best to do gold gel paint and then like a green chrome that I've used before. But never mind, it still looks nice. So this one, we are going for the green base again. And this nail is... So this is a better tutorial on the moon, but my brush is still pants. So this one is a backwards C. And then I mean, you can see what I'm doing. You know what I've done. I'm not sure if this one will be the last Halloween one. I have a Snow White poison apple one coming, but that's not technically Halloween. It was going to be in time for Halloween, but I'm not sure. Maybe. It might be uploaded next week, I think. So now we're drawing a crystal, because it was like this black magic-y sort of set. I quite like the idea of crystals. I'm not very knowledgeable in them though, so, but I would like them, I think. They're very, very pretty. I'm just filling these in. And what am I doing here? I don't know. More stars, more dots, more crystal looking shapes. Honestly, this voiceover is the biggest load of bab ever. I'm so sorry. I just, you know, when you're just not feeling it. But I really wanted to get this video up for you guys. So I think that is the reflective top coat, you know, that we used on the other nail, just on the inside of those crystals there, just to give them a little bit more. Oh no, it looks like it could be the I'm Vegan green glittery polish, that one actually. So there we have the finished. We're going to shiny top coat that one, obviously. And the last nail is just a nice purple glitter, just to finish off the set, because I didn't want to do any more patterns. I'm not sure which my favourite one is. I quite like the slime and the spiderweb. Yeah, the slime and the spiderweb. Possibly the spiderweb, because I really like isolated chrome. I really like this glittery purple actually from Beetles gel polish. It is very, very nice. But let me know if you liked any of these nails, or whether you thought this video was a lot of pants. I hope you didn't. If you liked them, please give me a like and a subscribe. I promise there will be better videos coming in the future. I really promise there is. So here we have the final nail and the full set. Oh, I do like the cats. Oh, I do like them all. Yeah. Let me know your favourite if you have one. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you all soon for a cool Snow White voiceover. Woohoo! Bye!